The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in today's example, we're going to loop through a dictionary object. As always, you can pause this video to download the sample file and then follow along. All right, so let's get started. Because we're going to loop through this dictionary object called grades, we're going to use some built-in features along with some loops. So we're going to start with for person in grades dot, and I'm going to say keys. Now you might ask, well, why didn't I just iterate over grades? Well, that would give me all of my values. I need the key because I need to then get the values to associate with the associated key. So I just need to sum up these list values based upon what's stored at the associated key. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to specify grade equals grades. Notice it's singular versus plural. And then I'm going to put person inside my key. Now this gets me the whole list. I want to sum this up. So I'm going to use the built-in function called sum. That's going to sum up my whole value. Then I'm going to divide it by the length of grades at person. This is going to give me my average. Now all I have to do is print this out. Print the average for person is a and come down here and run this. And you notice it loops through each individual person, finds the sum of that list. It then divides it by the length of that list. That gives us the average, and then it displays it for us. Because we used the format command, it formatted it nice and easy for us. It let us only need one for loop because we use those built-in list functions, but we also got to use those key functions in order to loop through and assign a value for that key and then look up that key's information. So this is a real good combination of how we're using list and dictionary options together. If you like these types of examples of seeing how to work with different elements together, please consider subscribing to the channel.